Hi guys, and welcome to the Novotel uh, airport hotel at the Ngurah airport in Bali, Indonesia. We're gonna start this room tour off a little differently with a tour in the washroom, and then we'll work our way out. So, just a pretty standard vanity space with the surround lighting happening there, and right next to it, you've got a stand-up shower, walk-in shower with no separation from the rest of the washroom really, and a full glass wall, floor to ceiling glass wall, looking out to the bedroom. And over here, we've got a little room with the toilet, and that's about the extent of this washroom. Nothing big, nothing fancy, and this right here is where we come in. Again, this all the rooms of this hotel are set on one floor, one level. You can bring your cart straight into the hotel from the airport, from the terminal rather. So we're just gonna walk in here and close it behind us. And yeah, you've got a couple of cabinets on either side here. And from there, you walk into the bedroom itself. This is a single king bedroom. Not a lot in the way of sort of extravagant decor, but the headboard is really cool, and I love that it's got that surround lighting happening. So that's really neat. And of course, while you're in the bedroom, you can look at your washroom, which I guess is great. Anyway, yeah, and you've got a little tea coffee station here with a safe and a fridge. Looks like they just provide you tea, coffee, and water. No other snacks or anything to buy from the minibar. And that's about it. The desk here has a built-in set of outlets for plugging your laptop in to the TV, I guess, and charging stations and charging ports and all that. But yeah, well lit room, decent size. It's a good transit room for the airport. And out here actually is the airport. It's dark out right now, so you can't quite see much. But I think if you look carefully, you can see the tail of an airplane down there. I believe that's a Garuda Air uh, tail that I'm seeing. It's hard for you guys to see it with the lighting. Oh, maybe that helps there. Now you can sort of see that. But yeah, that's the view. Unfortunately, since the whole hotel is set on one floor, on the third floor, you're not really going up high enough to get much of a view. Anyway, that's a quick look at a superior king bedroom in the Novotel Ngurah International Airport in Bali, Indonesia. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.